We've got a new tub.
And we need a new table because somebody decided to do a barbecue on a plastic table.
I did use a metal stand. I thought it would be okay.
Clearly not. Hi everyone, welcome back to the third and final part of our fish room slash house update slash tour, if that makes sense. So this is our vampire crab setup. They are super cute, they're doing really well. However, we've kind of thinking that maybe we will rehome these in the future. It's just that they're so skittish, and whenever the lights are on they all scatter, and so you don't actually see very much of them. We're very undecided on this one, so that we may or may not be rehoming these, I'm not sure yet. So yeah, that's our vampire crab setup.
Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Bless you again. Bless you again.
To the right we have our Tigra setup. This is one of our success stories in terms of we've brought them from eBay and the next generation has bred true, so we're pretty sure they are purebred. So we're very happy with these. And we have some orange ready shrimp. Alright, we'll focus. Orange ready shrimp. And as normal we have our hydrophila, Cemensis and polysperma. I'm not sure what this one is, this plant. If anyone knows, if you could leave us a message in the comment, that'd be awesome. So overall, happy with that one. Next over we have our wild guppy set up. A lot of very nice wild guppies. Especially nice one there. And we also have in here our giant Colombian ram's horn snails. This may be our favourite snail. The only note of caution I'd say with these is they do actually rinse plants. They will rinse your plants. This was full of hydrophila before and a lot of guppy grass, and even the guppy grass they are tearing down to the stem. So while a lot of snails do not eat the plants, in the case of giant Colombian ram's horns, in our experience anyway, they definitely do. And they've just started laying eggs. These are huge compared to most snail eggs. There's more at the back, but I don't think it will focus. The very back, no, there's too many guppies in there. So yeah, these are huge eggs. They're almost like frog spawn in a way. So if you want snails and you've got a planted aquarium, maybe rethink the giant Colombian ram's horns. And that's this one. So it did look a lot nicer with the plants, but then the Colombians destroyed them. And finally over on the middle rack we have our blonde blush guppy aquarium. Nice healthy blonde blush guppies, nice and fat. And same setup at the back. Not sure what this plant is again. If you know, let us know. And hydrophila, Cemensis polysperma. Just grows so well, especially with the garden peat we use under the gravel substrate. So overall happy with these 3 aquariums so far. Bottom of our racking we have our 450 litre aquariums, our bigger ones. We've redone this one. We wanted to pull it out and paint the back black like the rest of our tanks, but realised that we must have got it in by magic because we can't get it back out to do that. So currently we've got our red relief shrimp in here. It's probably a little bit excessive to have a 450 just for red relief shrimp, but a lot of buried females, as you can see. So we've redone this one with the slate at the bottom. There's a nice bonsai tree there, bogwood. Underneath the substrate is the peat layer again for plants, which we're using everywhere. And I think what we're considering doing with this one, and that one's in the middle of a makeover, so you have to excuse that, that's our tiger endlers. What we're considering doing is maybe having this is a tetra tank or a pencil fish tank, and having, you know, all sorts of pencil fish or all sorts of tetras, a little bit like we've done with our cyprinid tank, which is up there, which is another 450. So yeah, undecided, plus we possibly might be moving at the end of the summer, and shifting all these massive aquariums and all this livestock is going to be an absolute nightmare, as I'm sure you can imagine. Yeah, so that's this one, which was previously our Blue Star Endler aquarium, now converted, done up to be a little bit better visually. In the top racking unit on the left hand side, we have quite neglected tanks. This is our blonde blush overflow guppy holding tank, just so we don't overcrowd the other one. We haven't got around to painting the background or doing anything specific with this yet. It's just holding the fish, so they're not overcrowded. This is our coal tank, as you could call it. The guppies and endlers that just didn't make the mark. They are left over from our various crosses, and we're just holding them in there for now. But in this tank there is also this cheeky chap, hitched a ride into our fish room in one of our rabbit snout orders. When we originally got him, he was super tiny, but it just seems to keep growing and growing and growing. We did consider that he was a ghost shrimp, but he seems to have outgrown a ghost shrimp in terms of how large they grow, obviously. We've nicknamed him Mr. Pinchy, because he seems to have taken a liking to eating the smaller shrimp in the tank, smaller guppies and endlers, and some snails. If you know what this is and you could leave us a comment just to confirm it, that'd be a great help, thanks. Next, over to the right, we have another one of our eBay disasters. These are, well, supposed to be red chest endlers, and look at the state of that. And this has been, we've been treating these for like 4 or 5 months now. There was originally 5 pairs. There's only down to 2 to 3 males left at the moment. I think there's possibly something seriously wrong with these, maybe even fish tuberculosis. Hopefully not, because I don't want that getting all around the fish room, but that's that one. Disaster. Moving across again over to the right racking unit, top level, we've just redone this one. This is now housed blue diamond shrimp, though they're not usually around at the moment. This one will just race past, the less said about it the better. Algae setting. Then we have what was originally another eBay disaster, but after almost a year now we've managed to recover these. They are peacock endlers. I mean, that one still doesn't look great. There's a few males. Well, actually, saying that, I wouldn't say there is a success story. I mean, that one doesn't look anything like a peacock endler. So, okay, that one looks like a peacock endler male starting to colour up. Still a disaster tank. I'm going to overhaul this one as well. And over in our stacks, as you can see, still thousands of them, babies everywhere. Now we know that my partner's phone's waterproof, let's take a little dipsy, shall we?
So guys, this brings us to a close of our third and final part of our fish room tour / update. As always, we would like to thank all of our subscribers for your support and for following us through our journey of keeping fish, shrimp and snails. Until next time, take care, and we look forward to giving you more content in the future. Bye!